Hey YouTubers, just want to do a quick video on my homemade tabletop for my table saw, as well as the cabinetry I'm still finishing up. This is my first table saw. It's a skill saw. I think it's a 1530. It's got it around Christmas 2015. Three horsepower, I believe. The cabinets still got to work on some drawers. You got a slanted shelf in there for dust extraction in the back. The top is made of 1/2 inch MDF with a 1/8 inch of hardboard on top of that. Then I painted it with spray paint actually and put a polyurethane finish on it and sanded it fine, and on top of all that put some paste wax on. It's like ice when I clean it up. It's nice. Very happy with the finish. The throat plate, I used PVC piping. Heated it up and flattened it down. Got a few of those made. Happy with that. The track, or the fence in the tracking system, it's hardwood flooring. You can see over here, that's hardwood oak flooring. And I wrapped that all the way around the table saw. And this is a second piece of the hard oak flooring. It's flipped over. And this is yet another piece of some other hardwood flooring that was different. It's a wider panel. So I used these two pieces to make this track, which is kind of like a 2-rail track. And my fence rides along that with 2 notches that ride in the slots, a wood one as well as a aluminum angle iron. That is the bottom. This is the other end, another piece of angle iron. Very happy with the feel of it. It's very accurate. It does ride slightly above the table, which is good for me. Everything about it I like. This is the second tabletop I build for this table saw, because the top on the table saw itself was crap. Miter slots were crap. The fence was, so. And the fence was actually my 3rd attempt on building that. It's from pine and MDF. But all in all, I'm very happy with it. Do have a dust extraction in the back, as I said. I intend to widen the hole on that though. Hey baby boy. Hey, sorry about that, got a little sidetracked, but yeah, that's my table saw top. Very happy with it. Wanted to share it on YouTube. Don't have no videos of actually making it, but nevertheless thought I'd share it because everything I did learn to make this I picked up off YouTube and all the other great channels. So very happy with it. Thanks for watching.